And breaking news, we are learning that the Prime Minister will be visiting Odisha and West Bengal to review the impact of Cyclone Yas, and this is happening tomorrow. He is expected first to land in Bhubaneswar, where he'll hold a review meeting. Later, he proceeds for an aerial survey in the affected areas of Balasore, Bhadrak and Purba Medinipur, and he will also be taking part in a review meeting in Bengal. This is the latest that we can tell you, that the Prime Minister is visiting Odisha and West Bengal tomorrow. This, remember, is after we've seen Cyclone Yas that actually has created some bit of impact there on ground. Zero casualties, yes, but there has been a lot of damage to property, something again that will take some bit of time to get back on its feet. The Prime Minister will be reviewing the situation both in Odisha and in Bengal tomorrow. Abhishek, what more do we know about this?
Well, Deepti, in line with what Prime Minister generally does in times of these kind of natural calamities, or like he did in the case of Cyclone Taukte when he traveled to Gujarat, he is doing so now in the case of Cyclone Yas and its after effects, to see for himself what the centre can do, needs to be done, what do the states need, how much damage has been caused. And he did that earlier in the case of Cyclone Amphan, remember, in the Bay of Bengal. He had travelled to both Bhubaneswar and Bengal, and he's doing this time again. So this talk that the centre was not treating the cyclone along the eastern seaboard of India with the same seriousness or sincerity as it had the cyclone on the western seaboard does not stand. There was some element of criticism, and I think one chief minister at least tried to kind of politicize the pre-cyclone aid and relief. Now, of course, the Prime Minister would be visiting himself as per the plan that you explained, first travelling to Bhubaneswar, where he would be doing an aerial survey and carry out a review meeting along with the state administration, and then he would be travelling to Bengal and carrying out a similar exercise with the Chief Minister of Bengal as well.
All right, Abhishek, we'll keep our eyes focused on that for the moment. Thank you.